Unlocking the mystery of instant captivation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, instant captivation. Have you ever experienced a moment that grabbed your attention right away? That's what we're talking about. Let's explore this phrase, its meaning, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Instant captivation refers to the immediate and powerful attraction or interest that something or someone can evoke in us. The word instant signifies something happening immediately, without delay, while captivation describes a state of being attracted or fascinated by something in a way that holds your attention completely. Instant. This part is straightforward. It means happening or coming immediately. Think of instant coffee, it's ready in seconds. Captivation. This is where the magic happens. To captivate someone means to attract and hold their attention or interest as if by a spell. 1. Movies and books. The plot twist in the first chapter led to instant captivation, and I couldn't put the book down. 2. First impressions. When they met, it was a case of instant captivation. They talked for hours. 3. Nature and scenery. The breathtaking view of the mountains resulted in instant captivation for all the hikers. In conversations, share a personal experience that left you instantly captivated. It's a great way to engage and connect with others. In writing, use it to describe a scene, a moment, or a character in stories and essays to draw your readers' attention. We hope this exploration of instant captivation has been as captivating for you as discussing it has been for us. Remember, English is a door to countless fascinating concepts and expressions. Instant captivation is just one of them, and now you can use it to enrich your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.